On a journey with me as I delve into the art of Sunday reset, a tradition I deeply ingrained in my life since childhood. Join me in harnessing the power of organization to enhance productivity and foster tranquility for the week ahead. I'll commence with organizing my utensils. My kitchen is an oasis in my home. I love transforming my kitchen. I love organizing my kitchen. Organizing my kitchen gives it a functionality and harmony, which makes it easier for me to sail through the week. A moment for this set of spoons, which I got recently, and I love them so much. And to the set of knives, which I really love. Let me know, what are your Sunday rituals? How do you ensure that you are set for the week? How do you ensure that you are productive through the week? Now I'll go in to these beautiful flowers. I love having flowers in my kitchen. They help harness and boost my creativity in the culinary adventure. These beautiful flowers not only make my kitchen beautiful, but also is a symphony of order and elegance, laying the groundwork for culinary creativity and efficiency through the week.
Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering.
My beautiful white roses.
Alone inside. I died for you. I cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you. I cried.
And to my range of kitchen towels. I am a collector of kitchen towels, and I can say I can't have enough of these in my kitchen.
Flying away.
This is a set of kitchen towels which I had done laundry, and now I'm setting them up.
I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by.
This week I'm full of gratitude. I love my utensils. I love my glasses. They're just perfect. Did I mention that I'm a collector of utensils? And mostly beautiful utensils. On to my plates. A moment for these black plates. I'm so grateful for these black plates. I have had them for the last 6 years.
not feeling blue. I feel the rain poured out my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not.
I take my Sunday resets very, very seriously, ensuring that I have vegetables to run me through the week. Ensuring that my meals are well balanced.
Then I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go, really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life. Then I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, I slip to the right.
I find washing the utensils a very mindful practice. The feel of the rejuvenating flow of water as it purifies and revitalizes each vegetables. And to my green apples, I really love the green apples. Not only are they nutritious, but tend to have lower calories compared to the other apples.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough.
And why are strawberries that expensive?
Can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried.
And now I'm drying my fruits for storage. I find this exercise so therapeutic. You get to feel each fruit and see the nutritious value of it. I love clean spaces. And this space, which is the fridge top, tends to collect a lot of dirt, which I don't understand it's from here. And on top of my fridge, I have my wine rack. I love this space. I love me some good wine.
I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you.
And to the traveling the world. Now to my indoor oasis. I love nurturing my green plants. They are my green companions. I don't want to call myself a plant mom, but definitely I'll have a garden soon.
When forever finally ends, all the promises are broken. No more fights to pick up the pieces. I left you.
My green plants enhances my living space. It makes it a home. It brings in more oxygen in the room. I love it. And now to my shelf. which I love to decorate at times. Admire some beautiful carvings that I have collected in my travels, like this specific one which I got in Egypt. And the next carving, which shows a man reaching out to a woman. I collected this in Malawi. These carvings gives me so much memories of travel, beautiful memories. I would love to travel the world, one day at a time, one period at a time. And the next vase, which I collected in Dubai. It's so beautiful. This space makes my home and my TV area a very functional space. As the day draws to a close, I set the stage for relaxation and introspection by lighting my candles, casting a warm and smooth glow over my refreshed environment. Join me on every Sunday as we reset and set a ritual to cultivate harmony, productivity, and peace in our lives.